ancestors gave me gifts to read cards, predict and heal. My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me bye-bye love. Angels communicate through numbers. Intuition is so deep.
Hi everyone, welcome po sa inyong almost personal reading. I want you to know that this is a general reading, so you may resonate po sa buong reading na ito or baka konti lamang. Take what's only yours. I also want you to know that this is a timeless reading. So whenever you find the video, the message is meant to find you. No? Tingnan natin ang nangyayari sa paligid. Your first card is the Ace of Cups, followed by the Knight of Swords. Bakit kinakabahan tayong magmahal, kinakabahan tayong umibig, or kinakabahan tayo dito sa relasyon natin ngayon? That I'm not sure of what is happening, pero parang ang bilis ng tibok ng puso mo, not because, well, given, you are in love, pero kasi we probably don't know what the other person feels about us. So parang tinatanong natin dito, totoo ba na mahal niya ako? Totoo ba yung mga sinasabi niya? Or magdadara-diretso kaya itong romantic or itong relationship na ito? Kasi parang there's someone here already fell in love. Like the emotion is real, no? Pwede natin kasing masabi na ito yung time na maybe this is the first time that I fell in love this way. This is the first time that I felt so really deep into it. Kaya parang meron ditong feeling na I don't know, baka makarma ba ako? Or ito ba ang karma ko? It's sort of like a strange or ironic kind of feeling for someone to feel in love yet nervous, no? With the Eight of Cups, parang meron kasi ditong yung emotion ko that was parang sobrang deep dati, pero I don't know if nababawasan ito or nag-iiba yung perception ko. So I feel like meron ditong na fell in love, parang nauna, no? Or parang mas malalim talaga yung emotion. But all of a sudden, they are questioning their emotion. Chances are, ito yung mga yon. Tinatanong ko yung aking, kumbaga kine-question ko ang aking emotion. Totoo ba ito? Or totoo ba yung nararamdaman ni person? With the Six of Hazards and the Queen of Swords. Bakit ganon? Or totoo ba yung, kasi parang feeling natin dito, si person medyo nagbaback off ng konti, medyo tumatamlay. So we're questioning ourselves also. Masyado ba akong mahigpit? Masyado ba akong lenient? Tama ba yung amount, no, ng leniency and control na naibibigay ko or na-i-offer ko or ginagawa ko dito sa connection? So it felt like you're kind of scared when it comes to for the other person to reciprocate or yung perception or the way how the other person accept or interpret, rather, there you go, interpret the energy that you are giving. With the Queen of Wands, well, nakita naman natin totoo naman yung mga nasabi ni person. So parang tinatanong ba dito na totoo pa kaya ito ngayon? Kasi parang merong mga nagbabago, no? So, kung may nagbabago sa energy, meron din kayang, even sa actions, no? Meron din kayang nagbabago emotionally. So, it felt like yun yung mga nagiging tanong mo lately. May nagbabago ba emotionally? Is it escalating, no? Is it positive? Or de-escalating or parang nagiging negative. Now, the World card, it is given kasi The changes are already there. So, parang merong alignment naman yung puso at isip mo. Medyo ano tayo doon. Alam natin na merong mga pagbabago. Alam natin na merong mga nagbago, no? So, with the 10 of Wands, we're probably, bakit nahihirapan tayo ngayon? With the Fool card and the Hangman. Kasi parang feeling mo masyadong maaga nung naibigay ko yung mga yung love, care, or yung genuinity ng aking nararamdaman. So parang si person got overwhelmed. Yun ba yung nagiging ano mo? Parang burden sa utak mo. Yun yung parang nagiging anxiety mo na nagugustuhan, no? Nagugustuhan kaya ni person itong mga pinagagagawa ko. Kasi hindi na ako, kumbaga, hindi ko na rin kaya na mawala yung person ko. So, meron na ditong, pwede natin sabihin codependency, no? With the Empress and the Eight of Wands. Medyo makulit tayo dito. Parang every time chine-check natin kung okay pa ba si person, kung okay ba yung mga nagagawa mo. So, ano ka ba? Na-i-apply mo ba yung trabaho mo? Nabibitbit mo sa relationship? Kasi parang it seems like you're getting a little too perfectionist. Meron ditong, well, siguro ganun talaga, no? Dahil ayoko mawala yung pagmamahal, ayoko mabawasan. Kaya I keep on checking. So parang itong si person, medyo nakukulitan naman. The more na you're checking on it, the more na parang mas inaalagaan mo, the more na parang mas ayaw mo ma-scratch, no? It felt like the control is becoming evident without you even realizing it. So kasi may right amount yan, di ba? Yung okay lang na mag-usap tayo about relationship, syempre, no, about the future. Pero kung nagiging pattern, no, parang wala tayong ibang pinag-uusapan. Tapos yung response ni person, yun at yun, tas ikaw, yun at yun yung tanong, why don't we just record ourselves, no? And then, probably you can save time para meron ka magawa, meron din ako magawa. Yun din naman yung sasabihin ko, so might as well pakinggan na lang natin. Parang meron dito na, I don't know, becomes boring. Parang nabobore siya, itong si person. Yung sa'yo naman, ito kasi yung yung punto de vista mo, no? Ginagawa ko to kasi inaalagaan ko yung relasyon. And there's nothing wrong with that, no? Maganda yung intention. Ang nagiging parang ang nagiging toxic dito is yung patterns of keep checking on it every now and then. So parang kang nagtanim, 'di ba? Kunyari nagtanim ka ngayon, tapos nagtanim ka ng 7 a.m. Ayan, maaga. Tapos diniligan mo siya, no? Mamayang tanghali, you keep on checking. Tapos tinitignan mo, bakit wala pang tumutubo? Tapos kukut-kutin mo ngayon, no? Okay ba to? Tapos tatabunan mo na naman. Didiligan mo na naman. I mean, growth doesn't happen overnight. Parang yun yata ang sinasabi ni person. Or, bakit hindi mo pinagkakatiwalaan yung sinasabi ko? I already mentioned that I love you. I already mentioned that this relationship is committed naman ako. So, yeah, parang nakakita tayo dito na instead na nakakatulong yung pag-check, yung pag-aalaga, parang nagiging liability, no? The Page of Hazards and the Strength card, I know. Parang si person tuloy ngayon gustong parang gustong mag-time off. Parang gustong magpahinga. Kasi parang mahal kita eh. Mahal na kita. Pero bakit parang nababawasan dahil yung nakakasakal yung pag-ibig? No? Parang ganon. Yeah, so this is your reading. Let's check the zodiac sign of the person. Pero bago yan, kung kayo po yung nakaka-resonate, let me know sa comment section. Kung meron po kayong mga katanungan, sa description box ng video na ito, there is a link. Click the link, you will be routed to my website. Nandun po yung name, number, QR code, amount per question. Take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1 kasi discounted po yun. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya. No? So, let's check the zodiac sign. This can be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. Siyempre, reading mo to. This can be your sun sign or a placement in your chart then. No? I'm seeing Leo, Taurus, Sagittarius, Capricorn, Aries, Scorpio, Aquarius. I'm seeing Virgo. Yeah, Scorpio na sabi natin. Taurus, Leo. Yeah, Sagittarius. Cancer is here. Libra. So this is your reading. Maraming salamat. Love and light. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.